Hello guys! New product Gran-2 thermal imaging sighting and observation device. In this box. I'll open it, show you what's inside and try it in practice. So I'm opening it. Gran-2 installed on PB3 platform. Next, batteries, 18650 batteries. Here are the eye cups, 3 pieces, cat eye and 2 others. What's in the pouch? Mount for installation on a helmet. I will separately show all its adjustments in another video. KV Gran remote switch. Spacer to increase height. Gran spacer. V5U rail with quick release. This is how it looks. In the side compartment, USB cable, pouch strap and a lens tissue. And now I will propose to try it in practice. I'll put Gran on my rifle and shoot. First of all, I will install a battery inside Gran-2 18650 battery. I unscrew the battery cover. And I install the battery in accordance with the polarity, which is also indicated on the body. After that, I will install the eye cup. It will be comfortable for me with this one. I installed the eye cup. What else will I need? I will need the B5U rail. I will lift the thermal imager a little bit up. I'm cleaning up the rest. I installed the rail. I need to adjust the quick release. Done. And I install the thermal imaging sight on it. Now we have to zero it. I turn on the device. I see targets. I saw that the hits are to the left. Now I will adjust. I operated with Gran-2 thermal imaging sighting and observation device. We will make more detailed reviews in the near future. If you have questions, write them in the comment section. If you like the video, press the like button, share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. Goodbye!